Hello guys, hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Ada and it's really lovely to have you here. So today's video is all about how I created this simply gorgeous look I'm rocking right here. It's simple, it's quite easy to follow because as always I've included every single step for you guys. So yeah, let's jump right into creating this magic right here. I'll see you at the end of the video.
You should have said you were sorry. You should have told me the truth. I should have known you were bad for no reason. I'm coming down off of you. So black out. So black out. I'm trying to do this, can't you see? Black out. I can't do this, black out. I wanna do it, can't you see? Black out. These are a few things that I use. These are a few things that I use. These are a few things that I use.
Maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red. No, not tonight, 'cause I'm over with some friends, and I'm over sending texts, and I need to feel you here tonight. And I know you're home alone, just staring at your phone, so just come and meet me here tonight. I'm at a house in town with cars in the front. You'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. 'Cause there's a room upstairs where nobody goes, and I'll be good, I swear. Just need you alone. I know we only just met, but this could be fun. You should come, yeah, you should come. Are you staying in, or are you down to go out? If it gets too late, we'll go back to my house. Better get here fast, 'cause I really need.
So guys, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at myself because this is on another level. Listen, if you follow my ways, your makeup is going to be on another level. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think of this look. Ask me any questions if you have any, and I'll definitely be meeting you in the comments. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share my video, and above all, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.